everyone. Welcome to this Wellness Wednesday. My name is Shea Smith. I am one of the clinicians from your TSIG Wellness Center, and I'm here with you to discuss stress management. So last week, we discussed all of the harmful effects of chronic stress. And now we're going to be working on the tools to help you better manage stress. So the first one that we're going to focus on is mindfulness. And if you're not familiar with mindfulness, it is a self-awareness practice. It is a practice of placing yourself, kind of centering yourself back into your body and focusing on the here and now. Because when you do that, you're not able to worry about things in the future and you're not bothered by things from your past. There's a lot of ways that you can practice mindfulness. So for some people, it's through meditation, walking, running, journaling. There's lots of avenues that you can take. One of the simplest ways is through our breath. So I think we've all been in a stressful situation and kind of you're going, and then when it's done, you take that first deep breath and you realize like, whoa, I haven't taken a deep breath in a while. So this is kind of similar to that. So breathing in, really focusing on that deep inhalation, that deep belly breath where you feel your ribs expand and all the way back out. So what we can do with that is that actually triggers your parasympathetic nervous system. And as you remember, your parasympathetic nervous system is your rest and digest. So that's the chill kind of nervous system that kicks in after a really stressful interaction. And over time, as you practice this little micro meditation of deep breathing, you actually, studies show that you train your brain. And your brain is then better able to block out unwanted noise and unwanted thoughts. It also reduces your baseline cortisol, reduction in headaches, fatigue, insomnia, pain, anxiety, and depression. So these are all very good things that I think all of us would like to strive for. And it's really a pretty small buy-in. All you have to do is breathe. So one of my favorite breathing techniques, so that is box breathing. And I like this because I think a lot of times when you talk about anything stress or emotional, a lot of people turn off and they don't buy into it as much. But this is something, box breathing is something that is actually practiced by the Navy SEALs. So there's a lot of evidence here that this works. These are highly trained individuals, and this is what they do before they go into a stressful situation. If it works for them, it should certainly work for us. So what you do with box breathing, it's very simple. You want to sit down, be in a comfortable space, and you kind of imagine a box as you're going through. So for 4 seconds, you'll breathe in, and then for 4 seconds, you'll hold that breath, and that's where you're going to go across. And for 4 seconds, you'll breathe out. Hold that breath out for 4 seconds, and then you breathe back in again. And again, that is hacking into your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing your overall stress, slowing your heart rate, slowing your breathing. So that is a very good technique. There's also PMR. I think this is a good technique to do at least once per day. So this is progressive muscle relaxation, and you focus on one area in your body where, most of us, we carry a lot of stress in our shoulders. So you tense up the muscles in that area. So you raise up, I look pretty scary like that. You raise up, you hold that for about 5 seconds, and then you release. And you feel that relaxation in your muscles. And you can do this throughout your whole body. So there are some apps, if you're interested in this and you want to kind of dabble into mindfulness a little bit. There is the Calm app and also the Headspace app. There are some fees with those, so check out their free content. If it's worth it to you, then maybe you'll sign up. But if you're really interested in this and you kind of want to take a masterclass on it, through the TSIG Wellness Center, we are providing a 21-day mindfulness program. And this is with a celebrity health coach. And she actually she teaches a course, a master's level course at Stanford University on mindfulness and emotional well-being. So if you're interested in that, please, I encourage you to look in this email, click the link, and get signed up. If you have any questions or concerns or technical difficulties, just give us a call at the clinic and we'd be happy to help you get signed up. And tune in next week to learn a little bit about sleep hygiene. All right, take care and be kind to yourself.